Here's how to make my sweet and sour California prune and onion pasta dish. It's delicious. Slice up your onions really fine. It's really important. Get them into a pan with a splash of oil and a sprinkle of salt. Let them cook slowly and caramelize until golden brown. Once they're golden in colour, add the California prunes along with a good splash of balsamic vinegar. Cook it down, reduce it, add lots of fresh thyme for a beautiful fragrance. Add a knob of butter and let it cook together. Now that the pasta's cooking, take a ladle of that lovely starch water, add it to your California prunes. That will make a beautiful sauce. Then lift out your pasta, add it in with the prunes and stir it all together. Serve it all up with some crumbled California walnuts, fresh thyme and a good sprinkle of Parmesan cheese.